Actually, let me turn this off. It looked like they got a line in there. And hopefully, we don't create a hole in it. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. Wrinkle. And then cover the shoe. And you're gonna make 4 seals with this. Oh no, if it's the demons. Really? I gotta clean them because they are dirty. Yo, we back with another video. And today we have a ship out on some Jordan 1s. So let me grab them real quick. Yeah, okay. Let me put y'all on the tripod. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so first things first, I gotta get a thumbnail. Really, I gotta clean them because they are dirty. Yeah, so we gonna have sneaker cleaning here. Yeah. Really, I just gotta be careful with the suede. We got suede right here. Everywhere else is leather, so I'm not really worried about it. But to be used, there go just soap and water, and then we're gonna get a toothbrush. Just wipe it off like that. Yeah, our shelf is getting a little empty, but we are buying again, so it should fill up here in any minute. These are already sold, so I don't have time for a full cleaning. I can do a little something. Okay, so we got that done. All right, so I'm gonna go get a towel to wipe the bottom of these off with. All right. Because other than that, there was nothing wrong with these. We just needed a quick cleaning. You know, then we get left with this. Right. Bottom's looking good. So now we're gonna do the exact same thing with this shoe. Same thing, we're just gonna clean the liner down here. Because everything else was good. It was just sitting for a little bit. Oh no, if it's the demons. Yeah, see? So let me dry this off. So I can get a thumbnail. We got this done. We're gonna get a thumbnail really quick. Let's see what looks good. It looks crazy. Right there probably would do. We got that done, so we're gonna go ahead and go get these wrapped up. We already have the hair dryer out here, so we just need to go get it wrapped. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, we're gonna plug this in. Boom. Right. Forgot the paper once again. We'll grab 2 of these. One. So what you're gonna do is wrinkle. And then cover the shoe. And you're gonna make 4 seals with this. I'm gonna do both shoes, then take it back outside to use the hair dryer to fill in all the extra space. I'll show it to y'all here in a second. Right here, so we're just gonna take it outside. Back to the table they go, and we're about to use this hair dryer and get them right. Okay, so with this hair dryer, we're gonna put it on warm heat, high, warm, high, okay? Now, sometimes it don't want to form because I am just starting up the hair dryer. So we're just going to put it on a hot setting till it start forming. Then we're going to move it back down. See, sometimes I have to use this for a minute to actually form right. So we're just going to keep it on a hot setting. Hopefully, we don't create a hole in it. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. Okay, we got this done, so we're gonna do the other one, and then we can start putting it in the box to get shipped. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the worst jobs yet. You see there's another opening right here. I kind of figured I am kind of running late, so I'm trying to get these done. But once again, they still are fire pair of shoe, and I'm adding this shit. So let's get this in. I'm gonna actually put it in the bag because this will work. I'll show y'all what it is. It's a poly bag. Put this in this way, right, just like that. So now we're gonna add the business card. Business card go in there. Sit up. I like to make sure it gets to the fire, so I'm gonna tape it on top as well. Alright, so now let me go get this label, print it, and we are off to maybe UPS. I don't know which one's gonna be cheaper, but we are off. Yup. We already got the label. I'm gonna just slap it on here when we get there. Let's see if we can find some parking here. All right, so I got the label in my pocket. Let's go take this. Actually, let me turn this off. It looked like they got a line in there.